I thought we'd do this weekend's wrap up under a Range Rover. I bet that's never been done before. That's good, eh? Now it's going to start raining in a minute, and I just wanted to take a quick picture, you'll see it later on, of how nice this chassis and the sills and the body is once I power washed it off. It's really good. So let's do some postcards. I'll have to come up a bit further, look at that. So we've got a card here from Dave from Scotland, and he's supposed to be in San Francisco. I've been on those cable cars, look. Hey, that's nice to see. Thank you, Dave. Now, if I don't mention this, I'll be in trouble. There's a postcard from Deborah, who's in Perry Sound. Deborah's the one with the oil change. And she also got me a little raccoon, a toy raccoon, but I forgot it, I left it upstairs. It will appear, by surprise, in a later video. Now, this morning, you know, it's been funny for postcards because I only had one all week. And I told you we've had a strange postman, but I just saw our postman, our regular guy, back on his round again, so I think he's been hiding them. So, today we've got about 5 or 6. This is from Peter. Peter sent this from Great Torrington, Dartmoor. That's a lovely place. That's a nice place, it is Dartmoor. I like it down south. Heart of the Tarka country. That must mean Tarka the otter. See, I do remember. Now here's an unusual one. This is from the Roverlanders, Johnny, Donna and Gerrity in the 130. They put a picture postcard of their vehicles they've been working on with the help of yours truly. So thank you for that. That's all. Where's that from? That's from... where does it say? It doesn't say. Anyway, the Roverlanders. Well, it's in the States somewhere anyway. Oh, here's an interesting one. Look at the beach here. Look at that. That's from Bob. He must be in the, he says, well, 350, oh, he's in a porter cabin. 350 kilometres west of Dubai. What a lovely beach. Sea's no good though, is it? Oh, he said it was 36 degrees, so it's nice and warm there. Nice one, thank you. That's the first card I've had from over there. Here's one from home. This is from Paul. From Whitby. Look at that, Whitby. Lovely places, Whitby. They did a real good turnaround for tourism, did Whitby. You know, with the goth weekends and stuff like that. Something worth seeing. But not only that, wait a minute. He sent me a picture. Postcard's a little boring, he says. Look at that. That is a Land Rover ice cream van in Whitby. Now I don't know if he's recently taken that. But that was there 20 years ago when I was in Whitby. So anyway, what we've been getting up to, what a busy week. What an incredibly busy week. As you can see, I've got this strapped up by the way on stand, so don't worry about that. We've had a lot of problems with the 2.5 diesel, trying to figure out what's going on with this misfire. So anyway, today I jumped in the old 90 and took it for a drive and went to see a truck place who does diesels, except they wouldn't have anything to do with me. They said, first of all, they said they had an injector tester, and then they said they didn't. Well, there must have been about 50 people working there. One of them must have known they didn't, you know. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. So I went to the place, the only remaining place in town, AFD, which I don't particularly like because they charge an arm and a leg just to test the injectors. Not to do anything really. Anyway, lo and behold, there was a guy there who knew me from another workshop he used to be in. All right, Mike, how are you doing? I said, here, I'm doing all right, but I'd be even better if you could test these injectors. So he says, I'll have them done this afternoon. I'll look at them this afternoon. So we'll get to know later on today what the story is with that. I hope they're damaged, because it'll really put my mind at ease. If they're not, something else to think about. So the Range Rover's here from the States at last, and it's extremely good bodywork wise and chassis and what's left of the mechanics. The engine's half missing. been chatting to the owner what they want to do with it, and you guys have filled in a few ideas, and what I'm going to do is going to try and put a poll up here to say what colour should it be. I don't know if it'll work, so bear with me, I haven't done that before. And who's this here? Well, he put me off my stride. That's our neighbour. Funny bloke. Anyway, I got rid of him. So, what was I saying? Oh, yeah. I didn't realise he was creeping up behind me. Going to do a poll to decide what colour this is. The customer wants it black. Well, but I like Epsom green for a Range Rover. Remember now we've got a blank canvas here. Red has been suggested. No. Camel trophy, maybe if it's tricked out, but I don't know. What other colours can we do? White? No, it's been done. I prefer the Epsom green, but I'll put a series of colours, just basic colours, just like red, green, blue, pink, and then see if we can choose. I don't know, I've never done that before, so we'll see how that goes. What else? Oh, the African Queen is still here, because the guy who was supposed to be towing it back, well, his truck's off the road for 2 weeks, so we don't know what's happening there. The 90's done. The guy's coming to pick it up on Tuesday. I've been giving it a good few road tests, everything seems to be nice. Yeah, no surprises there. What else? Oh yeah, we're running out of space for storage with this thing, so we're going to have to think about renting a small garage to put all the bits and pieces in. So I'm going to do that this afternoon. I'm going to start to strip it down whilst it's raining. My neighbour there assured me that it wasn't going to rain at all. Well, I don't think so. I think it's going to pour down. In fact, it's starting to rain now, so I don't believe him at all. What else? What else has happened? I think that's about it really this week. It's been kind of hectic doing like 1 or 2 little jobs. I was supposed to do a job on a Nissan doing the drive shaft gaiters, but well, he cancelled, and at least he had the decency to give me a call and says, can we do something else? So sure, no problem. I'll just jump on that. So I hope that there's a problem with the injectors, and then I'm going to ask them how much they are to clean them or replace the nozzles. If it's astronomical, one chap wrote in the comments below that they had a set of nozzles, a new set, that they would let me have for the price of shipping. So that's interesting. We might just take them up on that. This is a problem when you take injectors to shops. Well, especially over here, they think they've got you over a barrel because you can't go anywhere else, it's ours. And with the prices they charge you, you might as well buy new ones. It's just completely bonkers. And even then they put Chinese nozzles in, but they charge you a fortune. So anyway, that's it. We'll wrap this up. And if there's any other things interesting, I'll let you know. But let's have a look underneath this car before we go, and you'll see what a good motor this is. Alright, so have a nice weekend, and thank you for the cards. I really do appreciate it. I'll probably have to get a bigger wall. Just keep them coming because it cheers us up no end, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now. So here's a quick look at what the Range Rover's like. The sills and the floor are lovely. They're really nice. The chassis is good. I'm not going to film it all over, but I just wanted to take a little picture of that. Even the fuel lines are perfect. Oh, what joy. So, like I said, there we go. I just wanted to give you a quick look.